Widgets not working on your Windows 11? Discover the fix to get them up and running smoothly, enhancing your desktop experience. Click the Windows button from the taskbar and choose the Settings icon. Choose Personalization from the left side menu. Click on Taskbar. Toggle the Widgets button to on.
If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution.
Click the Windows button, then choose on the Settings option. Click on Accounts. Choose the Your Info option. Under the Account Settings section, click on Sign In with a Microsoft account instead. Provide your username and password, then click Sign In.
If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution.
Press Windows button plus Rand, then type gpedit. MSC, press the Enter button. Click on Computer Configuration. Choose Administrative Templates. Open the Windows Components folder from the left side list. Search for and click on the Widgets folder. Double-click on Allow Widgets. In the window that appears, click on Not Configured, then click the OK button.
Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.